everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my first update for That's So 2000s. This was created by Samar, Mashni. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. They have 32 prompts. This is rolling style. You can re-roll prompts if you want to. Start with about 5. Set your own goals. And yeah, it goes from April 16th, 2022 to April 16th, 2023. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab. And again, all of the details will be in the description box down below. I have one goal met, but we will be rolling in probably 3 new prompts. I'm working on a lot. If you saw my everything I'm currently painting videos, I'm working on a lot. So we'll see how I do. Okay, so I'm gonna go numerically down. Number 2, frosted tips, something frosty or icy. I brought in this. This is the Only Better cream highlighter. If you watched my Everything I'm Painting makeup edition, you know that I already hit my goal. So my goal was to hit pan, and I did. This is very much like a Super Shock kind of formula, and I wasn't sure that I would hit pan. And you can see it's kind of bunched up over here, but I tried to do as evenly as I could. So I'm actually going to roll this out. This will probably end up rolling into a different project, but it's going to roll out of this one. Goal met. So I'm really excited for that one. Next we have Bratz dolls, something that exaggerates your features. I brought in this. This is the Profusion Lip Liner. I think I've only used this once and I completely forgot to mark it on the cap. So I only have this much left. And my goal is to finish it. I will remember to mark the cap right now. I'm gonna put them beside each other so I remember to do that. So that was for Bratz dolls, something that exaggerates your features. Next, we have Jonas Brothers, which is a trio. I brought in this. This is the Muse blush palette. This is beautiful. How many times have I used this? Where's my notebook? Where's my notebook? If you haven't seen it, this is my notebook. I just bought posted tabs. Posted tabs on the sides. Aquarius 2000s. Here we go. Okay. So this is how I've been marking it. So I have used the Profusion Lip Liner 1 time. I used the Only Better highlighter 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 times. 11 because I used it today. The Muse blush palette I've used 3 times. And then next we have Frappuccino, Something Sweet. I had brought in a Makeup Obsession lip gloss because it smells like some kind of candy. I still can't decide. Initially I was tracking usage on this, but I put it over by my couch. I just been using this as like a regular lip gloss. You can see like just how much I've used. This is going to be done by next month, and my goal is to have it in to finish. So I don't care for it as a gloss. It is very, very icy and glittery. So I don't care for it as a gloss. I don't love it as a lip gloss either, but I will put it on top of this. This is like a lip balm that I'm trying to pan, and I will put this down and then put this on top of it. So my goal with that is to finish. And then last but not least is Velour Tracksuit, Something Soft, and I brought in this. This is Norvina palette, and my goal is to do No Pan Left Behind. I have used this matte, and then this shimmer. If you saw my neutral look with the red lip, this was the palette I was using. I just haven't been drawn to these colors. I mean, maybe the top row, but not necessarily the neutral. So we'll see how far I get next month with this. If I don't reach for it, then I may roll it out and pick something different. But yeah, so this is going to stay in. So there's 32 prompts, so we're going to do 1 through 32. And if I get one I'm already working on, then I will get it. Or maybe I'll just try to work through all of them individually first and then go back. That probably makes more sense. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 7, 7, 10, and 18. So 7 is chunky jewelry, something chunky, bulky packaging, etc. Okay. I am marking it on my spreadsheet. I apologize. Number 10 is Bump It, something that adds volume. Okay. And then number 18 is Hannah Montana, a day to night product or duo. That was hard. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of hard. Okay, so let's start with number 7. That's chunky jewelry. So something chunky, bulky, packaging, etc. I'm bringing in this. This is the SheGlam Dulce Vida. This is before they had to get rid of the NARS, the NARS names. My goal for this right now is just to use it 10 times. This barely fits in my drawers over here, and it always sticks. So I finished one of these in Throwback 30, I believe. So I don't know that I'm in to finish this just yet, but we're gonna start with 10 uses. Next is Bump It, something that adds volume. I'm gonna bring in this. This is the Batiste Volumizing Dry Shampoo. You saw this in my Everything I'm Painting skincare, hair care, etc. I showed this in there, but I forgot that I'd actually finished the one that was in a project. So this is just coming in, and yeah, my goal is gonna be to finish it. I will weigh it. And then last but not least, Hannah Montana Day to Night Duo. I had the hardest time with this. So I've decided to bring in this. This is the Secret Life of Scorpio. This is the ColourPop palette. Oh, it's broken. Good job. So my goal for this is going to be 2 looks. So I'm going to do 2 looks. I'm going to do a daytime look, and then I'm going to make it nighttime appropriate, just using this palette. So we'll see how we do. We'll see how we do. So my goal is 2 looks, and I will try to make sure that either film it or I at least get pictures. So that's it. We had 1 rollout, met goal. So that leaves us with a Profusion liner to finish, a lip gloss to finish, a blush to hit pan, a liquid blush to use 10 times, a dry shampoo to finish, and then a day to night look with this ColourPop quad. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you check out everybody else that's participating in this one. I will have all the information as usual linked in the description box down below. I hope you'll consider subscribing and following me over on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pans there. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. We're leaving in 20 minutes. Am I dressed? Nah. Do I need to go get dressed? Yeah.